better not. Hey, you don't do that. Jonathan. Hey, what'd I say? What did I just say? Why are you not listening? Oh, you trying to hit me? No? Then what was that? You shut up. No, you. No. No. Oh yeah? You yelling at me now? Oi! Oi! What'd you say? Gotta take these back.